Hello, so today I'm going to show you my Bitmoji Classroom / Meet the Teacher Google Slides. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to add or embed this GIF or any type of GIF into your Google Slides and how to go back to any of your Google Slides at any point and how to go back to your home slide. I call this my home slide just because it is my first page and I have like all the info here. So, okay, so let's get started. So, all right, let's go ahead and get started. So if you notice, I have arrows or labels that would help or that tells you where to click. Okay.
Hello, first graders. I'm so excited to meet you all.
Okay, that was that. And then you click on this one. This one's in Spanish.
Hola, alumnos de primer grado. Este video es para hablarles un poquito más acerca.
Okay, and then if you click on this one,
Monster Math presents Addition Below 10. Okay, class, let's be.
it'll take you to the read aloud.
Night before first grade.
And then if you click on this one here, it takes you to the Spanish read aloud, which is el primer día de escuela.
Esa mañana, Pablito se...
All right, and all right, so that's that. Let's go ahead and get started here. Okay, so remember this is more towards Meet the Teacher Google slide kind of deal. So here I have a ClassDojo link where parents can sign up. And then on this notebook paper, if you click on it, it'll take you to a Google form so parents can fill out some student information. And if you click here on this book here, students and parents can see some of the books that I love to read. And then on this arrow here, the back arrow, if I click on it, it'll take me back to the slide. So this is what I was talking about when I said I'm going to teach you how to do this. And then if you click on the phone, it'll give you my contact information. If you click here, it should take you to my email. If you click here, it takes you to my Twitter account. If you click here, it'll give you my, the school's phone number. And then if I click here on conferences, then it tells you the days and times that I'm available. Then I'm going to go ahead and go back. And now this arrow here is telling me to click on this photo frame. Let's see. Whoa, okay. So now here we have our AP, our principal, Miss Aguilera, and then this arrow here tells me meet the first grade team. Oh, let's see. So then here we have our first grade team. We're missing one of our teachers. So let me go ahead and click on myself so we can go back to the slide. And then if I click here, because this arrow is telling me, hey, click me. So if I click here, it takes me to one of our sections in our classroom, which is the reading area. I don't have any links on here just because I would love to have some links on here, but I'm not going to add them now just because this is more towards Meet the Teacher. So I'm going to add links later whenever I do create my content lessons. So, okay. So now let me go back to the slide. And this is just me saying hello to my students in the classroom and parents as well. So if you click on either on the science window here or on the social studies map, it doesn't matter where you click, or if you click both, it should take you to the same slide, just because I do have science and social studies by each other in my classroom. So you'll see. So this is what I have. social studies and then science. I do teach both of these content areas in Spanish, so this is why they're in Spanish. They're labeled in Spanish. So it doesn't matter if you click the map or the window, it should take you to the same area because they're both here. So if you click here though on the chalkboard, then it should take you to the math section in our classroom. Here we go. And then if you click here on this shelf, then it should take you to the reading section, which you already saw. And then here where I'm waving again, if you click on myself, then it should take you to one of my favorite parts of this slide. So it says, my favorites. Do we share anything in common? So let's see what this video is about.
Right, we're going to see how many things Miss Aguilera and you have in common. Put 10 fingers up. Put one finger down if you like or love reading. Put a finger down if you like or love math. If you put 2 or more fingers down, you and Miss Aguilera are Twinkies.
So there we go. That was that video here. Again, it was just 10 of my favorite things, and it's just get students, thinking of, hey, Miss Aguilera likes this, do I like this too? Just making those connections with the students. Okay, so that was it. I'm going to now go back to my home slide. Yay, there we go. So next, I'm going to show you how to add or embed this GIF or any type of GIF into your Google slide. And then I'm also going to show you how to go back to any of your slides or to your home slide. Okay, so let me show you now. So you're going to record a boomerang on Instagram if you have an Instagram. If you don't and you have an iPhone, then you can take a live photo on your iPhone. And let's say you don't have either Instagram or iPhone, then you can just record a short video of 5 to 6 seconds. All right. So my poster is just the waving part, like that's my main thing. So then I'm going to wave until my video or my boomerang is done or my live photo is taken. Just make sure you keep moving until your video is done. That way it works like a boomerang. So then, okay. Once you taken your video, you're going to send it to your email, or you can transfer from your phone to your computer or laptop, and then you can go from there. So once it's saved on your computer, this is the next step you're gonna do. You're going to go to onscreen.com/upload. Enter. And then you're going to upload the clip that you saved onto your laptop or computer. It might take a while, so alright, so my boomerang is loaded. So now I'm going to click on download. Once that is downloaded, here is the key. Do not open the file. Do not open the file once it's downloaded. So there we go. Here it is at the bottom now. Do not open it. So just move your clicker away from it. Go back to your Google Slides. Let's say this is my slide, right? That I'm creating. Go ahead and drag. What happened? Oh, wait. Let me download it again. Okay, here we go. So I'm just gonna drag it over. And there we go. It's there. Yay! Okay, so now let me show you the other step. So insert image, search the web. Back arrow. There we go. Actually, this back arrow, I'm going to implement it here. So I'm just going to put it here, and then I'm also going to have I would search for home icon, but I mean, I'm just trying to do this as quick as I can. So then there we go. So let's say I want to go back to my first slide. Then I'm going to click here, insert link, slide presentation, slides in this presentation. And then you click first slide because that's where I want that arrow to take me. And then here I would also do the same, just in case I want to go back to my home slide. Okay, let's do this one again. I'm just choosing whatever. Okay, there we go. Let's say I want to do this one here too. Okay, so insert image. Again, do this, or you can just copy and paste it from the other slide, but sometimes I don't know, you can just copy and paste. Okay, there we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and insert the back arrow. There we go. And again, you click on this link here, insert link, and then, or link icon. And then if I want this back arrow to take me to, let's say, my second slide, then I would click second slide and apply. This one, I want it to take me to my first slide. So first slide and apply, and then look. You ready? All right, let me show you. Go back, go back. There we go. You notice that? Yeah. There we go. And that's how you do that. And then if you were asking about the video, the put your 10 fingers up, I just recorded that on TikTok a while back. So yeah, and then I just made a YouTube video out of it. That was it. All right. Well, I hope you find this helpful and I hope you enjoy.